Welcome to this free flow to help you feel empowered to speak up and use your voice. As always, we'll start with some tapping on the chest, and repeating after me. It is safe for me to speak up. Inner eye, because my voice is important. Outer eye, what I have to say matters. Under eye, so it's safe for me to express my feelings and thoughts. Upper lip, taking this time to release any blocks. Chin, any walls I've put up or blocks I've created. Collarbone, that have stopped me from using my voice. Side of the body, it's safe to take those barriers and blocks down and speak up. Top of the head, my voice matters. My thoughts are important, and it's safe to speak up. Hands by your side, palms facing out, rotating the wrist in, pinky fingers facing forward, thumbs towards the back, feeling a nice stretch in your arms, tilting your head to one side, lifting up and back. We're going to be focusing a lot on opening up the neck through the throat chakra, unblocking it so that we feel strong and capable of speaking up for ourselves. So rocking back and forth, listening to your body so you don't feel any pinching, and rotating to the other side, nodding back and forward, feeling that stretch all the way from the arm, all the way up through the neck. Slowly bringing your head back to center, relaxing arms by your side, bringing your hands up to your neck, slowly stroking down. Again, just opening up that area, opening up the energy through our neck, from the center and on both sides with gentle, soft strokes. And bringing your hands right to the hollow, right at the base of your neck. We're going to do light tapping. Don't hurt yourself, just light tapping. Breathing in through the nose, and as we exhale, letting out a ha. Inhaling in, sighing with a ha. Each time you do this, slowly bring your hands further and further up your neck. Again, tapping lightly and letting out the ha as you exhale to activate the throat chakra. As you get to more of the tender part of your neck, lightly tapping with just your fingers, breathing in and sighing with an exhale out. Last time, deep breath in, exhale, ha. Feel that vibration through the neck, through the throat. Allow your hands to remain right here on your neck. Again, gently pressing, not pushing, lifting your head up and left and right. You can do it right and left, whichever way you want, and then slowly bringing your head back down. Again, we're just opening up our throat area and always listening so you're not getting any pinching, going back as far as feels good for you and to each side that feels good to you. Make sure you are breathing here. Rolling slowly, gently, making sure you're feeling a bit of a stretch, but nothing should ever feel painful. And bringing your head back to center, just holding here for one breath. And allow the arms to drop by your side. Inhale as you scoop in front of you, toes coming up off your heels. Exhale as you slam your heels into the ground. Allow that vibration to kind of work its way through you. Inhale up, exhale, slam down. As you're doing this, you can visualize your heels really slamming into the ground, creating roots within the earth. So it's great for letting go of some of that heavy energy, but also really rooting us into ourselves, into the earth. So inhale coming up, exhale sighing out, letting go of whatever it is that's blocking you from using your voice. And then growing those roots into the ground so that you feel strong and sturdy and safe when speaking up. And now that we have our roots in place, we're going to come up and inhale and slowly drop those heels back down, really planting yourself. You dug your hole, now you're really going to plant yourself so that your roots can take off, feeling strong, sturdy, and stable. Inhale up. Exhale as you slowly sink your heels back down. And bring your arms up into embracing the tree. Relax your shoulders, your elbows, just your arms are kind of floating up, holding everything up. Tall, straight spine, crown of the head pushed up towards the heavens. And really focusing on your feet, grounded and rooted into the earth. Breath is light and even. Feeling like a tall, sturdy, stable tree where nothing can topple you over. Roots so deep within the earth that nothing can shake you. And slowly bring your hands down by your side, hands on the pelvic bone all the way up to the bottom of the chin, zipping everything in that we just cultivated. And then placing your hands on your lower belly, visualizing yourself glowing in energy. And as you inhale and exhale, that energy becomes a smaller and smaller ball that fits right in the palm of your hands over your belly. Energy tucked and stored away for later use if needed. Giving yourself a nice little rub on your belly. And exhale, let everything go. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you feel good. Let me know in the comments below.